The science department is a really neat department. We give them a real insight of what sort of occupations they can actually go into. Science opens up lots and lots of doors compared to perhaps some other courses.
I'm hoping to go on to become a midwife at university.
So I'm intending to go on to mental health nursing.
The access course here at the college is what will help build that foundation for me to enable me to carry on and get my degree.
But we feel that we go that extra mile to support the students to go into their career choice.
College is really good. The library has study pods and study rooms.
The teachers are amazing and the staff, everyone I've got nothing bad to say.
It's like little tasters of what students may want to go into.
We are very much about supporting each other so we all succeed.
We're all supportive and try to get the best out of our students as fundamentally possible.